Happy Friday, parents. I hope that you had a great week, and I'm sure you are ready for a restful weekend. I loved the snow today, and it was so much fun to watch the kids at recess, and um, it seemed like snow is exactly what they needed for a Friday, so it was a lot of fun. This week, the students worked really hard. Monday and Tuesday, we had MAP testing, which is our middle of the year test that helps us organize some data to see what our next steps are for second semester. We were really, really impressed with some of the students' growth and achievement over the MAP test. And you will actually be getting the MAP report in the middle of the year data that will come home towards the end of January. And so I'm looking forward to you guys seeing that and seeing some of the great achievements. Some of the upcoming events we have next week is our last week before our holiday break, and also the last week before second quarter is completed. So I can't believe how quickly it went. I am just blown away that we are almost halfway through third grade already. It has been a very unique year, but it also has been super special. And so thank you guys for helping make it special, even though it's from a distance of you guys. But I know the kids are definitely enjoying all of the fun things we've been doing the last couple of days and are really looking forward to a holiday break as well, though. Next week, we still have one more spelling assessment before the end of the quarter. So we have our normal test day on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we have a school-wide pajama day to celebrate the end of second quarter. Just make sure that they're warm enough pajamas, school-appropriate pajamas, and please no slippers just because the weather is, you never know what it's going to be like, and just for health reasons too. So just normal shoes. On the 18th, so on Friday, it'll be wear red and green to school for our holiday parties, and so it'll be a fun day. We will make our gingerbread houses. We will have our afternoon holiday party. So we'll be watching Polar Express with hot chocolate and a popcorn mini bar. And so that'll be a lot of fun. Thank you to all those families who have signed up for donations. We really appreciate that. There's still a couple of slots left. So I have left a link on the email for any of those spots that are still available. Aside from that, we had a great week in reading. We worked on comparing and contrasting two fictional texts, and the students really loved analyzing theme of stories, and they did a really good job making connections. In math, a few classes did some extra review, and a couple other classes worked on multiples of 10. And next week, all classes will move on to graphing, and so we are really looking forward to incorporating some fun things with graphing next week. In core, we finished our Viking read aloud. We are not done with the Viking unit yet, but we actually read a historical fiction story about a boy named Bjorn who was a Viking, and the students loved learning about the Vikings through his perspective. So they really enjoyed those read alouds and have really produced some awesome interactive history notebooks that you'll see at the end of next week. Finally, in writing, we took our end of the quarter benchmark assessment for informational writing and worked on just how to pace our writing appropriately to get through the writing process in a timed fashion, and just how to make sure that we're revising, editing, and following all of the steps of the writing process. And so it was another, like I said, great week. I was really, really proud of them. And so if you have any questions, please reach out. But other than that, please have a great weekend.